Best dance floors comparison. Portable dance floors are a versatile solution for dancers of all levels who need a reliable practice surface at home, in the studio, or on the go. Whether you're perfecting pirouettes. List 1. Marley Dance Floor, ideal for ballet. The Marley Dance Floor by Art and Balance is a premium option designed for professional-grade performance. Measuring 6 by 3 feet, this vinyl mat provides a smooth, textured surface, ideal for ballet, jazz, and tap dancing. Its slip-resistant finish ensures safety during rigorous routines, while the lightweight design makes it easy to transport for outdoor performances or home practice. With its ample size and ability to connect multiple mats, it's a versatile choice for dancers aiming to replicate studio-quality conditions. In terms of performance, the Marley Dance Floor excels in providing stability and slip resistance, reducing the risk of injuries. It's particularly well-suited for advanced dancers who require consistent traction and smooth rotation for complex moves. However, its weight, 9.5 pounds, and relatively high price point make it less accessible for casual users. Customer reviews highlight its durability and professional feel, but note occasional challenges with taping it down securely on uneven surfaces. List 2. 31-inch portable dance floor. The Tristy portable dance floor stands out for its compact design and portability. With a 31-inch diameter and included travel backpack, it's a convenient option for dancers on the go. The PE material ensures durability and a smooth surface for ballet, tap, and pirouette practice. Its non-slip finish provides added safety, while the ability to carry it as a backpack or shoulder bag makes transportation effortless. Performance-wise, this dance floor is ideal for smaller spaces or quick warm-ups at competitions. Its compact size limits the range of movement for expansive routines, but it's perfect for focused practice on specific techniques like spins or footwork. At $89.99, it strikes a balance between affordability and quality, though some users have noted that its thinner material may not hold up to long-term heavy use. List number: portable dance floor, smooth ballet floor vinyl dance mat. The Pull Crease portable dance floor is the budget-friendly option in this lineup, priced at $42.99. Measuring 6.6 by 3.9 feet, it offers generous space for practice and a semi-matte anti-slip surface for safety. Its roll-out design makes it easy to set up and pack away, while the included travel bag enhances portability. The PVC vinyl material ensures reliable stability and moderate durability for home and studio use. This dance floor is best suited for beginners or casual dancers who want an affordable practice surface. While its size and slip-resistant features are commendable, the thinner material may not provide the same level of cushioning or sound absorption as higher-end models. Users appreciate its ease of use and portability, but have noted that it may not withstand heavy daily use over time. List number 4. Balipet Dance Floor, Ballet Dance Floor, Heavy-Duty 5mm. The Balipet Dance Floor is a heavy-duty option with a 5mm thick PVC material designed for durability and comfort. Measuring 71 x 36 inches, it provides ample space for various dance styles, including ballet, tap, and jazz. Its matte surface prevents sliding and offers soft cushioning for foot comfort. The rollout design allows quick setup, and its scratch-resistant and waterproof properties make it easy to maintain. This mat excels in versatility and durability, making it ideal for dancers who need a reliable surface for frequent practice. The thicker material enhances sound quality for tap routines and cushioning for ballet, though its weight, 4.01 kilograms, may limit portability. User reviews praise its stability and comfort, but mention that the gray and green color may not appeal to all. List number: 31-inch portable dance floor. The Moroho portable dance floor offers a compact 31-inch diameter design, crafted from eco-friendly and non-toxic PE material. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for dancers who need a mobile practice surface. The non-slip finish ensures safety during rigorous routines, while its durable construction supports long-term use.
This dance floor is particularly suited for focused practice on pirouettes, tap, and figure skating moves. Its compact size limits versatility for larger routines, but it's perfect for dancers seeking a portable and eco-friendly option. At $99.99, it's priced slightly higher than similar models, which some users feel is justified by its environmentally conscious design.